Samsung Galaxy S24 series launch is just days away now, and we already have a bunch of details on it. The Galaxy S24 launch is just weeks away. While we wait for the official details to be out, from speculated pricing to leaked specifications, here is everything we know about the smartphones, so in short, the Galaxy S24 series will likely be launched on January 17th.
The devices can be expected to be priced upwards of 80,000 rupees. The Galaxy S24 series is believed to be powered by Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Society. The anticipated launch of the Samsung Galaxy S24 series is on the horizon, with rumors pointing to a potential unveiling on January 17, 2024. While the official launch date has not been confirmed by the company, details about the next-generation Galaxy S series have already surfaced, thanks to insights provided by leaksters and tipsters. As the launch event approaches, leaked information about the prices of the upcoming Samsung phones has emerged, shedding light on what consumer. It is highly likely that Samsung's new Galaxy S24 lineup will consist of three models: the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra. Speculation indicates that there might not be any upgrades to the storage variants of the new Galaxy S24 series, and the lineup is expected to maintain similar features as its predecessor, the S23 series. There was also a recent leak that revealed the speculated European prices for the devices.
However, it's crucial to note that Indian prices tend to be considerably lower than those in the European market.
In Europe, the Samsung Galaxy S24 is rumored to start at €899, around 82,000 rupees for the base model with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage.
The 256GB storage variant may be priced at €959, approximately 88,000 rupees. Moving up the lineup, the Galaxy S24 Plus could carry a price tag of €1,149, around 105,000 rupees, for the 12GB RAM, plus 256GB storage AM.
As for the premium offering, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, it is speculated to be priced at €1,449, around 133,500 rupees for the 12GB RAM, plus 256GB version. Additionally, the Ultra model may come in configurations with 12GB RAM, plus 512GB and 12GB plus 1TB, priced at €1,569, roughly 144,500 rupees, and €1,809, around. While Samsung has not officially disclosed specifications or included in the box details for the new Galaxy lineup, various online rumors and tips have surfaced regarding the features of the Galaxy S24 series.
Leaker Evan Blass, known for reliability, shared what seems to